So today, overall, the sessions will be on PPT, like we will be getting the overview. And in the recurring sessions, we will try to get into the application and we will show the demo cases and use cases one by one. So first of all, like what is Oracle Analytics? It's the same comprehensive platform where we are going to analyze, visualize, and we are going to use the output for reporting purpose. But what can we do in order to have all this? So we can even support the self-service analytics or even augmented analytics and enterprise reporting. So this augment analytics, where we will be playing with multiple ML models and even with AI. So these are some of the things which they have released in a recent years, like not in a very beginning of the starting of the application, but in a recent years they have provided all these enhancement in the application. So overall, if you see the whole picture here, so what it is going to provide, like there will be an Oracle analytics server which is hosted in the cloud, and we are having an analytic desktop which will be the front view like Power BI or Tableau where we are going to see the analytics. But if you see from the database side, your Oracle applications, whatever you are using, even EBS or the Fusion or any of the cloud services like human capital management or even EPM applications, we can have as a data source. And normal database, whatever, even Microsoft SQL Server or Snowflake and the Flatpak. So these are the data sources which we can import into the Oracle Analytics and we can do our analysis and visualizations, whatever we want. And again, one more thing where Oracle have an higher point with the other application is like their security. So the same security is whatever they are incorporating in their cloud applications. Similar way they have incorporated in Oracle Analytics also. So there will be an admin user, power user, only the viewer where can the report can be only viewed. They couldn't alter any of it. So these kind of enhanced security we will be having in an Oracle Analytics. At the end, the business user will just going to analyze the reports whatever we are building from the Oracle Analytics. So these are the entire overview of the applications, and we will see the futures now one by one. Yeah, you can get into the next slide. Yes. So here we are like just segregating what the governed analytics, self-service analytics, and augmented analytics. These are the areas. Like in the governed analytics, we are just going to have only the dashboards or distributed reports. The normal day-to-day reports or the dashboards which we are going to have it will be in the governed analytics. And self-service analytics usually comes with the data preparations or the data visualization, whatever we are going to take it from the uh, other application sources and we will be like preparing the data. And one more thing here, if you see what if analysis and mobile, so these analytics which they have recently incorporated, even if you see in the Oracle Cloud Services, they have recently incorporated like prediction, cash flow predictions, or even the planning predictions with the upcoming forecast data or the planning data. So these are some of the enhancements which they have recently released. This what if analysis, all those things, they have incorporated in the recent days. And from the augmented analytics, yeah, voice and chatbot, natural languages. These are all like where we have our own machine learning models also, and we can try to play around. There are some of the inbuilt models which they are providing within the application cloud service. But on top of that, we can build our own models and we can import into this. Yeah, you can get into the next step. Yes. So these are the main components of Oracle Analytics. So it's not only like the front end tool which we are going to keep it. It is like the Oracle Analytics Cloud will be there, where the cloud-based analytics and the servers will be there, which is of an on-premise solutions you can only take, and with that you can inbuild your Oracle Analytics desktop. But now as a package, what they are suggesting is that you can take the analytics cloud also. So in case if you want to inbuild or host all our models or everything in case if needed, so this will be the entire package. So whatever the components here you are seeing, they are providing it as an entire. package. In case if you want to go with an on-premise solutions, we can take it. Or if you are adapting for the cloud-based solutions, we are entirely giving us some package. Yeah, next slide. Yes. So there are some of the key features when we compare from the Power BI or Tableau with most of the analytical applications. Some of the key features, if you see, the embedded analytics and the machine learning integrations. This predictive analytics, whatever the analytics we are doing in any of our analytical tools, right, be it Power BI or Tableau, the one thing we can do with an very intense manner in the Oracle is like predictive analytics, because with the kind of data we are having, be it an enterprise data or your financial data, the one thing which we can do is predictive analysis. This will be the common point in the Oracle where we can do the prediction mode of. So this machine learning integrated predictive analytic will be the key feature in Oracle Analytics, we can say. And other than this, a natural language query and data preparations. So these are some of the areas, like even though if you are taking your enterprise data and if you want to uh, provide some massaging on top of the data source, whatever we are taking, the application is like capable of doing all those features. Yeah, next slide. Yes. So now it comes to the data sources and the integration. So if you see Oracle DB, MySQL, SQL Server, Excel, and cloud sources. These are the inbuilt, like our usual cloud sources which we are already having. But on top of this, real-time and the batch data integrations. So this is usually from your cloud service applications, whatever you are having. Like if the uh, enterprise has adapted some of the Oracle database along with some of the HCM and enterprise applications, then they can uh, input all this data on a real-time data. So this is one of the features where we can see. Next slide. Yes. And when it comes to security and governance, yeah, the one thing we can say is like data masking and the encryptions where we can do. This is one of the unique feature of it is available now with all the analytical applications, but they have only like started to introduce this. And then audit trail and complaints, where we can going to have audit trail will be the common use cases in all of your Oracle applications when it comes. Yeah, next slide. You see the use cases. These use cases will be entirely belong to an enterprise. Right? From finance, usually we are doing the budgeting and forecasting, and mainly we can do the prediction analysis. When it comes to sales and marketing, the customer segmentations we can do, and even for the operation side, like inventory, or when it comes to HR side, like human capital management. So all these analytics we can do. So these use cases we will be like going to cover in the upcoming sessions. Yeah. Next slide. Yes. So from the benefit side, it will be like common compared with all our analytical tools. But the one thing we can do is like improve data literacy and secure analytics, which we can based on the security we are having in the Oracle. We can do some of the secured analytics, and we can restrict the access to particular reports, everything. So this is one of the features. Yes. Any questions? Thank you all.